Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm so excited! Oh my god. Hi guys, how you doing? So I'm doing a very interesting video, and I wanted to do this video before. It's one of the things that I've received, so that you can tell me if you can note the difference. So I know kuna kelele because I'm in the balcony. In the balcony, and I have received the cutest package. Yeah, so I want to unbox with you guys. It's quite heavy, and it's a gift from me. Yeah, it's a gift from myself for January and Feb. Because I told myself this year I'm going to be gifting myself every month. So this is for January and February. So let's get to it. So I hope you can see we have microphones. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Let me I had already unboxed it. I have to confirm. This is Kanairo, man. So tricky kuja. Oh my god. How does that look? Oh Jesus. Inakaa amazing. Sit down. And here kwanza. The pili. And it's wireless. Oh my goodness. Then I guess the one you connect to your phone. Yo, I'm so excited. So let me put the mics on. Alafu we unbox the rest as I have the mic to make up a difference in audio. Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. Mic testing. Like I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. So let's do this video because I have a lot to record. Like, gosh, I'm so excited. Happy Valentine's, by the way, to everyone, to my sisters, to my mom, to my friends, to my babe, to me, and to you. Love you. So the major package here. Oh my god, look at that. Hope you can see. It's a whole package of skincare. It's a skincare pack, 5 pieces. Guys, I'm so excited. So I was going to really fun because I had so it came in yesterday and I was so like eager to open something but I didn't want to open it. I wanted to do it here. Oh my god, okay. Oh Jesus. This box feels amazing. Like, oh my god. If you know me, I've been using Garnier products, but last year I started using Dr. Rachel. I was using like Polypole to do this. SPF, and then the face serum, nice Honey Bamba Plus. It's really affordable. Yeah, it's really affordable. Kenya Garnier is nice, but so the yake kuna watu wanashinda kunicall. I'm going to do this really fast. Okay. So this is the package. So you have the cream, cleanser, the serum. What's this? Toner. I've never used that toner, so it's going to be my first time. Then now this is the cleanser. Okay, so much light from the Lord. Yeah, I am really excited. I hope mnanisikia vizuri and the audio is better. Yeah, like I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. I'm doing it is kona machungwa. Oh my goodness, and carrots, and I think it has carrots. But I'm going to be doing an updated skincare, so watch out for that. Yeah, okay, I was always leaving. So, and this yeah, that is a Yara deodorant spray, and now this is for my man, and then this Vaseline. Yo, I'm so excited. You can really see how I'm excited. I can't wait now to be doing these videos of my skincare and everything. Yeah, so that's all that I had for this video. It was just to show you this package and to just tell you happy Valentine's, and I hope you enjoy your day. Yeah, and show love to everyone, not some people you're in romantic relationship. Valentine's, and celebrate everyone around you. Don't celebrate those people you are in romantic relationships alone. Yeah, celebrate everyone, your friends, your family, and just anyone that has changed your life, because love love is all rounded. So yeah, happy Valentine's, and I hope you have a good day and good evening, good morning. Say that you're going to be watching this video. It's just a short video of me unboxing. Yeah, and watch out for my videos for the updated makeup, not makeup, skincare routine, because oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, and then that's all. Love you.